this is the DIY Magician, back for another adventure with spring snakes. Thank you for joining me in this experience. This is going to be fun. We're going to get into the world of spring snakes. That's right. This is something, again, I purchased online. I wonder if you can tell me where I got it from. Who I got it from, I don't know right off the moment here. But here we go. Again, I went through and I ordered up a bunch of props that I've never seen before, and I figured, why not? Okay, so here is one that is kind of unique. You ready for it? Here it is. Dun dun dun! It is a vintage almond. It's fresh salted shelled almonds, delicious, made in the USA, and it is a very sturdy can. And it has a nice screw top cap, and we're going to unscrew it and we're going to see what comes out. Are you ready for this? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Look at that. Whoa! I'm going to go off screen for a second here. There it is. Very cool. This is interesting. I've never seen one with a camouflage. Camouflage, I think, was done in World War... Wait, was it World War II? No, I think it was... Maybe it was. Anyways, this is a camouflage spring snake. It is like a very light nylon. I wonder if it's the original for the can or not. But it fits well. It goes in well. It's a nice material. And we're going to try it without the lid, okay, and see if it'll go straight up. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Great launch. The spring is nice and wobbly. That's a good thing there. Again, the can is a nice traditional can. Good solid metal can. There it is. So it's the delicious, fresh, salted, shelled almonds made in the USA. I wonder if this is the original steak. It doesn't matter. But there it is. One more time. We're going to do the launch. And look at that. Okay. So why are we doing this? That's right. It's because of this book here. Spring Snake Pandemonium Volume 1.